Hey guys, welcome. So today is Friday, the 26th of April 2024. Sama kayo, magka-camping tayo. So medyo complicated yung camping namin kasi last minute nag-message yung school ni AJ, yung anak ko, na meron daw silang performance orchestra. Tumutugtog ng instrument yung anak ko si AJ. Tumutugtog siya ng cello. So doon sa hindi nakakalam yung cello, search nyo na yung cello, by Leonard ng Big Bang Theory. Ayan, cello, yan ang tinutugtog ni Leonard. Anyway, so may option ako, sabi ko cancel ko na. Well, ang problema dito sa camping na to, camping to ng Trail Life Trail Life, yan. Parang siyang Boy Scout pero Christians, no? Ang problema dito, wala nang cancellation daw. Nagbayad kami $50. Nang hinayang ako, may $50 yung bayad, may kasama siyang t-shirt. Sabi ko, kahit sana makuha ko lang yung t-shirt, no, kasi magagamit ko naman yun pag nagka-camping ulit. Anyway, so ang gagawin ko ngayon, last minute nagkaroon ako idea, siguro baka may bumulong sa akin. Ito gagawin ko, Friday pupunta ako doon sa camping area, campsite, magsiset up ako ng tent, matutulog ako doon, and then tomorrow, Saturday, ihahatid ng isa kong anak, si AJ, sa school. Malapit lang na may school the-drive niya. So kailangan daw kasi nandun na ng 7:40 bago mag-8 kasi may rehearsal pa. Pero yung actual na performance nila alas 10 ng tanghali. So from campsite uuwi ako, manonood ako ng concert niya mga alas 10. And then pagtapos ng concert, sabay na kami, balik kami sa campsite. So yun ang plano ko, mag-overnight doon ulit. Ako mag-overnight ulit, tapos si AJ first time na mag-overnight. Sunday na uwi namin. Okay, and ngayon Friday, dala ko lang solo, mag-set up ang tent. Dala ko lang pagkain, maliit na sandwich, yung croissant, nilagyan ko lang ng cheese saka ham. Tapos nagdala akong banana, nagdala akong apple. And hopefully hopefully mabusog na ako. Kasi meron pa akong cup noodles dyan, tsaka tinapay, tsaka Nutella, just in case. Pag kasi may kasama kang bata, dapat meron kang madaling i-prepare. Yan, Nutella dinadala ko palagi, or peanut butter kay AJ. So tara, punta na tayo doon. Meron pa 1 hour to get to the campsite. Okay guys, we're here, Long Acres Ranch. Just go straight. So Trail Life USA, that's the event this weekend. Alright, this place is big. It says keep going, keep going. Hey guys, grabe ang par na to. Parang 200 acres ata to Nasa loob to ng city. Grabe yung may-ari nito, yaman na siguro. Grabe yung puno So hindi mainit dito, mahangin pa nga Okay guys, I see the campsites. So as per instructions, I need to drop off my stuff and then park it somewhere further down the road, and then come back and set up. Drop off here. Let's find some troop. Hi guys, so this is the campsite. You unload your stuff and then park your car to the parking lot. this is awesome. Trail Life USA. Nice. Okay guys, I'm hauling my stuff to the designated camping area. There. Okay guys, mag-set up na ako ng tent, no? Hindi ko dito ako kaso nasa bungad ako. Baka malakas ang hangin, magka-problema ako. So dito na lang ako, lilinya ako dito. So set up ko na solo. Hey guys, just want to show you how I set up the tent alone. Already inserted the poles, 3 poles. And I'm gonna do this fast because I'm just by myself setting this up. Okay guys, pakita ko na kayo. Solo lang. Okay, niready ko na yung mga poles. Kailangan kong katulong eh. Okay, so bibilisan ko lang. Hi guys, tour ko lang kayo sa campsite ko, no? So dala ko ng table, stool, patungan ng paa, and whatever kung magluluto ako. Ayan, dyan ako upo. Siyempre ito gusto ko itong baso. Stable kasi ito. Medyo mas mabigat nga lang, pero yan, may table siya. Tapos yung cart ko, yan. Pag ganito na group, usually naghanap sila ng campsite na maluwag. Yan, maluwag. No? Kaya anticipate ko na yan na kailangan mo ng cart to hold your stuff. So andito yung kitchen area ko. Andito na yung pagkain ko, no? Yan. Natela. Hindi man natela, copycat ng natela yan. Tinapay, nakakainin ko. Hopefully hindi ako gutumin. And eto na po siya. Cut ang dinala ko kasi mainit na, di ba? Painit na yung panahon. So maganda pag cut, may ventilation ka sa ilalim. Pag nag-airbed ka, mainit. Mainit ang airbed sa summer. And then meron ako isa pang upuan dito. Bukas ko na lang i-open pag dumating na si AJ. Ito, rechargeable fan, battery pack or solar generator tawag nila dyan eh. 500 milliwatt amperes yan. Kasi ito yung ilaw ko, damit ko, mga gamot ko. Yan, ako lang solo. And then pag bago kayo sa camping, no, pag malakas ang hangin, it's better na malakas ang hangin, hindi naman umuulan. Huwag niyo ilagay yung rainfly. Kasi magmumukhang saranggola yung nyo, lilipa rin lang yan. So ito pag hinahangin, tagusan lang pag bukas mga bintana. Okay, let's eat. This is gonna be my dinner. Time check, it's 6:30 p.m. and the sun still shining. Just a ham and cheese sandwich. For dessert, banana. And if I'm still hungry, this inside this. And I just bought water. I did not bring any coolers. Why? Because I'm gonna leave in the morning to get my son. That's when I'm gonna get my son. Forecast, it's rain. There's rain tonight. Like I said, there's water. Water. Water tonight. Hi guys, tapos na akong kumain, mag-alas 7 na. Yan, dumating na yung isang Asian. Dalawa lang kami Asian dito eh. Ako na Pinoy, tsaka isang Chinese. Pero mabait to, mabait. Kaya, tayo ko itong kinakausap eh. Anyway, yun, nakaisang sandwich ako. Hey man, hey. Yeah, go. I reserved it for you.
Huh?
I reserved it for you. Nah, just kidding. Okay, so ito kanina naglalaro sa isip ko, ano. Habang papunta ako dito, maski nung papasok na ako sa gate, sabi ko ba't ko ba ito ginagawa? Sana kinancel ko na lang, no? Kasi nagbayad na ako dito, nakabook na to, no? So ano pa, March pa lang yata, 3rd week of March. Nagbayad na ako. And then 2 weeks ago nag-send yung school ng anak ko ng email na meron daw silang performance. Member kasi ng orchestra si AJ eh. Pwede ko sana i-cancel to. Tinatanong ko yung sarili ko, bakit ko pa ginagawa to? Ayun, wala na yung araw. Oh. Ay, sabi ko, kasi gusto kong maka-join sa camping. Kasi nagpupunta yung troop sa mga campsites na hindi ako pwedeng mag-camping on my own. Ano ibig sabihin? Like ito, campsite to. Yan, private campsite. Kahit may pera ako, hindi nila ako papasokin dito. Kasi nagki-cater lang sila sa group camping eh. Okay, so dapat organization ang magka-camping. Okay, sige, new experience and buti nga malapit lang sa amin. 1 hour away lang eh. Okay, pero nagdadrive talaga ako tatalo. Kasi mas madali talaga maging tamad, no? Na wag na lang, wag ka nang pumunta. Ayun, lagari ako. Alis ako, nag-set up ako ngayon. Alis ako ng umaga bukas, mga alas 8, 7 or 8. Pagka gising na ako, and then sunduin ko si AJ, balik kami dito after lunch, mga 1 nandito na kami. May activities pa rin naman sa hapon eh. Just to give you a view of the campsite, Friday night. Some people are still gonna come tomorrow, and then later today, and later tonight. Okay, so it's 7:30 p.m. We're going. Look at the trees. Wow. Hi guys, I'm going to the campsite alone in this environment. Let's see. Hi guys, I'm walking and the good thing is I don't feel anything weird, anything scary, but the problem is I think I'm lost. Okay, I see the camp. Hi guys, I'm inside the toilet trailer. It's clean. Let's go outside. I'll show you. Trailer with AC. Hey guys, night shot of the campsite. Big spotlight over there. Okay guys, dito na ako sa campsite ko, no? Parang ako nag solo camping. Kainin ko na yung apple ko, honey crisp apple, napakatamis. Tuwan-tuwa yung misis ko, ang tamis daw, no? Huwag yung kaya yung ginawa ko, no? Naglakad ako mag-isa sa kahuyan, nagubat, no? Kahit lalaki kayo or matapang kayo, pero sabi ko, so far so good, wala akong naramdaman. Nakakaramdam ako eh, kung naniniwala kayo, no? Pero wala akong naramdaman nun. Okay, so yan, snack bago matulog. Okay guys, time check. It's 10:50 p.m. and everybody's sleeping already. But I'm waiting for the scoutmaster. He said that it's already inside the property, so I can help him unload or unpack. And looks like we're gonna have some rain. No stars. Hi guys, time check 11 p.m. Time to go to bed. Morning guys, time check it's 6:30 a.m. Still dark. Hi guys, go outside. So it rained last night. I think it's gonna rain today also. It's cold. Okay guys, kanina nagising ako madaling araw, umuulan kasi. Pero okay lang, mahina lang yung ulan. Yung hangin yata malakas. So, forecast, uulan uli ngayon. Kaya ano sila mag-activity. Mga bata naglalaro na. First order of business, kailangan ko na umalis. Kunin ko yung anak ko. Then babalik kami dito lunchtime. Okay guys, that's the campsite. And walk all the way to the parking lot with my cart. Saturday morning drive, no traffic. Okay guys, I got AJ and we're heading back, but we need to get some things. Okay, we're back. Hey guys, gotta join the event in the afternoon. There's AJ.
Yeah, because you may be thinking you're going to hit it down on, but you're going to look at right there.
Only close through third.
Yeah, it's there. Close your mouth.
Hold it all the way back by your mouth.
Nice.
All right, will you put your bow back on the rack? There you go.
Nice.
All right, let me go ahead and show you when you're ready.
The white one faces you. The white one reflects you. There you go. Good.
If you're done, you're going to reback the bow. And wait in the waiting area.
We have to shoot. You don't have to shoot from back there, okay? So that you get your mark. Then it's a competition target. So if we don't get your mark, how can we do it?
Yeah, we're gonna score you guys. We're gonna get an average. Who's next tree?
Next tree. Person who's the next.
Are you next?
Okay. Course
Stand,
walkthrough.
stand by the gun. Do not hold the gun yet.
You can lift it up. Bottom in air, right?
He's only using. Good job, AJ. High five. His friend said AJ cooked it. Cooked it. Cooked the range. 36 seconds. Some kids are doing more than a minute. AJ cooked it. 36 seconds. Okay guys, at this point, the kids are just playing football.
Send to my wife. I don't want to divert the table. They are well fed.
Okay guys, dinner, second night, tacos. Prepared by the troop. I think rain is coming. Guys, we're going to the pavilion for the awarding and some skits, and I think the closing remarks for the weekend. Okay guys, tapos na yung award ceremony. Muntik na si AJ sa sa archery. Yung nanalo, ang score is 45. Si AJ 44. Meron pa siyang isang na-miss na araw hindi tumama. So kung tumama yon, kahit yung pinakamalayo sa circle, sa pinakamalayo sa bullseye, malamang siya yung nanalo sayang. Anyway, I'm just proud of him. And then sa airsoft naman, siya yung siya yung pinaka maikling time. So ayun, nakaka-proud naman kasi yung mga kasama niya, bilib na bilib sa kanya. Tinalo niya yung mga Amerikanong bata. I mean, yun talaga. Ibig sabihin, mas malalaki sa kanya Para ma-imagine ninyo, yung size ng sapatos niya is 6.5, 7, gano'n. Yung mga ibang bata na sa troop niya, 8.5. Ganong kalaki. Anyway, so meron pang meron pang tug of war para sa mga dads. Baka hindi na kami mag-join kasi giniginaw si AJ Ako rin giniginaw na rin. So tara, punta na tayo sa tent. Okay guys, we already brushed our teeth, we cleaned up. Time to go to bed. Say good night. It's cold. Look at the sky. Lakas ng loob ko. Wala naman sila lang. Naligo na ako kanina umaga, di ba? Kaso yung init kanina at saka yung alikabok. Pag di ka sanay talaga matulog ng hindi ka makatulog Anyway, ready to sleep na. Okay guys, morning. Time is 6:30 a.m. The wind keeps on waking me up early morning. Okay, now that it's really morning, the wind just stopped. Okay, so this is morning at Long Acres Ranch. Morning guys, Sunday morning. Hello guys, bigyan ko kayo ng quick tour ng ginamit ko yung Magellan Bastrap 5. Maganda kasi siya pang dalawahan lang, no? Kung dalawa lang kami ni AJ, okay, dalawang cut kasya. And then pagka magka-camp kayo sa ganito, group camping, dapat meron kang cart. Yan. Ako lang mag-isa kahapon, na-set up ko to eh. Dalawang balik lang ako ng cart. Yan. May heavy duty gorilla cart. Yun yung common area. Yun yung lutuan, fire pit, lamig. Alam ko may parating na ulan ngayon eh, so kailangan mag pack up na. Walang araw, lamig. Ang puno oh. Hi guys, breakfast before leaving, pancake and tacos, orange juice or apple juice. Worship and fellowship, worship and flag ceremony last day. Okay, cleaning up the field, picking up trash. Okay, time to go. Okay guys, dyan po nagtatapos yung aming 3-day, 2-night camping trip sa Trail Life. Trail Junction 2024 yung event. So every year hino-host yung ganitong event. So lahat ng troop sa buong Houston nagsasama-sama. And then yun nga, fun activities, sharing, and last day group picture and Sunday mass. So see you next time guys.